I'm back with Tafimbwa Lubilo. Tafimbwa Lubilo. Translation is you can't mine something in a haste, in a hurry. You can't mine in a hurry. Interpretation is patience pays. Okay? Don't be in a hurry to get something done, to achieve certain things, because you may not get your desired results, or you will get your desired results but they won't last. Get rich quick will not work well because it may come with terms and conditions. Whatever you achieve fast, you may lose fast. Okay, so patience is a virtue which we should all cultivate, and that is what basically Tafimbwa Lubilo encourages. Just keep doing your thing. As long as you're doing it the right way and you're consistent, you will achieve what you wish to. You will get to where you want to get to, no matter how long it takes. Do not compare yourself with others because each one of us has different destinations. Just like we get on buses, public transport, you are heading the same way but you have different bus stops. So others will get there quicker, others later. But do your own thing. Whatever you do, as long as you do it right, you are consistent. Of course, there will be hiccups here and there. Consistency is the key. So nga mwaisha okufimba lubilo, you may not get there, it will just frustrate you. Or you will get there and lose it quickly. So let's continue trying. If you can't fly, run. If you can't run, walk. If you can't walk, crawl. But whatever you do, don't stand still. Hey, imagine I just quoted Martin Luther King. Hey, but it has synced well with the Tafimbwa Lubilo because it's still also talking about patience and keep moving. I've concluded for the day because I'm going home. It's time to close. I'll try to make another one today. If I don't, I'll be back. Please like, share, subscribe, and keep those comments coming. I depend on them.